going to show you how to use your PerioProtect trays. There are instructions in the box, and when your kit comes to you, it's going to come with a base and a kit that holds the tray. You just put it into the little opening there, snap it in, and that's what's going to hold your tray. You have areas for your gel, your toothbrush, and anything else. It's also going to come with the little mini toothbrush. Okay, and you're going to use it as prescribed, and usually that's once or twice a day for 15 minutes. If we've asked you to do a prescription fluoride, you're going to do the gel one time a day and the prescription fluoride another time a day, separate, for 15 minutes. Okay, and then at the end, what you're going to do when you take your trays out, you're just going to rinse them under cold water. Okay, you can use just a regular toothbrush if you feel like you need to get the rest of the material out of there. You just rinse them, towel dry them, and put them back in your case. Okay, if you do use your toothbrush, you just rinse it like a little toothbrush, you put it back into the case. So when you open a new tube of the gel, you're going to clip the end with scissors, and then what you're going to do is you're going to come and you're going to just take a little thin line right along the trays, and you're going to go, oh, I need to clip this a little bit more, so you want to clip all the way down so it's open. And you're going to take a thin line of gel. If you cannot get it to come out in a line, just do a small dot. And I don't know if you can see that here, but in each tooth well, just do a small dot or a thin line. If you can get the thin line, it's a little harder to do, so just put a little dot in the bottom of each tooth well, all the way down at the base. Going all the way back to the end, you're going to do the same thing for both of them. You put it right in the end of the thing. You go make sure you fill each tooth. Then you're going to put the trays in the mouth. Make sure you seat them all the way down to where they're flush along the gum line. You know, you can push them down, and you put both of them in at the same time, and then you time yourself for 15 minutes. So if you want to do that while you're taking a shower, while you get ready, then like I said, you take the gel out, take the trays out, you will just run them under cold water, and then you can also take your toothbrush and rinse that out and brush that out with that. If we have you using the fluoride gel at home, the fluoride toothpaste, you're going to take your toothpaste and you're going to just put like a little pea-sized amount, not too much, in there, and then you're going to use the toothbrush to just slide it around, because that's not so much a gel, that's more of a paste. So you just brush it all around and till you have that fill in the bottom. Okay, you don't want too much of it. Same thing, you're going to put the trays in, leave it in for 15 minutes. If we have you use an antibiotic gel, which comes in a dropper, you're just going to do like one drop here, one drop here, one drop here. You're going to take your toothbrush and smear it around so that it gets all throughout there. Same thing what you would do as on the bottom, okay, if you're using the antibiotic dropper. But we'll tell you exactly what we want you to use and how many times you want to use that, okay? When you put them in, you may have a light mint taste. If you feel like there's excess gel, just take your finger and wipe the outside of the tray. If you're tasting a lot of mint, try using less gel. That means you're putting too much in there. You should not have too much of a taste, if any, in there, okay? And that is as simple as it is. Just rinse this off, use your toothbrush in there, towel dry the trays, then place them back into the container and rinse your little brush off just like it was a toothbrush. And that is all you need to do. So if you have any questions, just give us a call and we'll help you. But there's an instruction booklet in the kit for you, or you can watch this video. Thank you.